little bitty spot. I ain't coming down, no, never, I'm not. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top. Where I come from, the mountain Florida's so wild. The bluegrass waves like it's going out of style. God-fearing people, simple and real. 'Cause up on the ridge, folks, that's the deal. High on a mountain top, we live, we love, and we laugh a lot. Folks up here know what they've got. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top, where the rest of the world's like a little bitty spot. I ain't coming down, no, never, I'm not. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top.
Good afternoon, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo word of the day is going to be Shaa, náhozdiisxi. Shaa, náhozdiisxi. And you can change that around to fit however you want to say it. But anyway, I'm a person who is afraid of heights. We are at the top of Lukachukai mountain at a place called The Window. Our family calls it náhozdiisxi. And from here, it's just a straight drop down, and I'm not a person who likes to be at the edge of a cliff. So in Navajo, I can say, Kodóó, Shaa, náhozdiisxi. Kodóó, Shaa, náhozdiisxi, meaning it makes me nervous, it makes me edgy. I guess it literally means it makes you tingly, but it describes that butterfly feeling, like it makes you nervous. And for me, I get nervous just standing this close from the edge of a cliff. But that's today's Navajo word of the day, Shaa, náhozdiisxi. Have a good afternoon.
Well, we lay on our backs and we count the stars, 'cause up here, folks, heaven's not that far. High on a mountain top, we live, we love, and we laugh a lot. Folks up here know what they've got.